Well, what do we have here? Appears to be a shoe delivery. Let's go see what's what. Alrighty, so what do we have here? Air Jordan 1 Retro OG SP with the size 13, my size. And as you can see, it's the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester, brick by brick, the famous brick by brick that we've all been hearing about. A rare sneakers W for some reason. This was really unexpected, which was cool though, because I did enter a few raffles. I didn't enter a whole bunch, but I entered a few raffles, and was able to hit. So let's see. Okay, they stay true to the brick concept. They stay true to the brick concept. And the Bike Air by Nigel Sylvester. And again, it's a textured box. Inside of the box, brick red or a little bit of orange. We got the Velcro covering, and the shoes themselves are individually wrapped. Okay, it's not one big bag. Yeah, this is cool. It's cool. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to open this with one hand. I'll be back. Okay. So, there's one. There's two. New car smell. The highly toxic chemical smell. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah, and this is a real. I'm not gonna get both of them, but yeah, this is not. It's not a deep red. It is a brick red. Jordan 4, brick by brick. Alrighty, so a little bit better. So obviously taking them out of the plastic bags that they come individually wrapped in. Took the paper off. Okay, so let's get a look at them. I like this. This is cool. Nice little attention to detail. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, so we've all seen the reviews on these already. Yeah, it's got that backstroke motion on the suede that we all know and love. And the colors are on the uppers with the plastic are pretty consistent. It's a matte finish on the wing, and even the underlay under the mesh is all consistent, a consistent color. Where we get a little bit of a difference is with the mud guard area. There we go with our small Nike swoosh, which I actually do like also. It's a nice little detail, nice little touch. But yeah, this mud guard area, this is a real nice, rugged, I would say, a rugged, rubberized. Looks like it's rubberized. Feels like it's rubberized. There we got it's a sort of a cream in the midsole and a semi-translucent rubber on the on the sole itself. Yeah. Nike, not Jordan. And of course the customized Bikey Air. Yeah, these are nice. I'm glad I was able to get them. I wasn't this year. They're nice. I wasn't planning on trying to do the resale route or anything like that. It's either my thing is always either retail or below retail if you can find them. These are not going to go under retail anywhere on the aftermarket site. So yeah, it's cool. It's always good to get it's always cool to get a retail dub for your shoes. These are already wildly expensive to begin with, so paying resale after that, it just feels it's just more of a kick in the head. Especially if you haven't budgeted for it or made some kind of arrangements to pay for them. Tongue feels extra padded. I haven't put these on feet yet. We're seeing this. This is live. Me taking them out the box and everything. So I think the way I've seen them being rocked, I think the white laces, cream laces, off-white laces, that's a cool way to tie them up, would be the way to go, just to make them kind of bring the midsole up to the upper and just kind of break up the monotony. But they don't look bad with the red laces also. Not a bad look all the way. Either way, yeah, these will be these are not for me, they wouldn't be an everyday wear or, something that I would wear all the time. They'd be more of a kind of a, hey, show up, show out type of thing. But yeah, these are nice, real nice, decent leather. Like I said, decent leather, decent quality. The back tab, it's not super soft, but it's not super tough either. So it probably won't dig into the back of your heel. Again, and one thing I will say before I get out of here, it amazes me it still amazes me that these were these heavy shoes, these big, hard, heavy shoes were state-of-the-art basketball shoes back in the 90s. It's just the way that it contrasted to the way that basketball shoes are constructed and made nowadays. Light materials, synthetic materials for the most part, and just heavy emphasis on them being, reducing the weight, really contrasts to how heavy these were. And so it's just amazing that these were considered state-of-the-art basketball shoes. Literal bricks. These have some 3M also. Let me turn the lights on for that one, and we'll get up out of here. Alrighty, so we switched the camera, but as you can see, we got the 3M effect going also, which is also, it's always appreciated, if you ever in a situation where I have to play on a darkened basketball court with only movie lighting, then you'll at least be able to see my shoes as I jump and fly through the air to dunk on all the haters. At any rate, yeah. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Peace.